The bowling trip. Wilf and Wilma's dad took the children bowling. It was Chip's first go at bowling. We will help you, said Wilma. First they had to select bowling balls. Pick the lighter ball, said Wilma. You might drop that one. It was Chip's turn first. His ball drifted to the left. Then it fell in the gutter with a thud. Next time, swing your arm back a bit further, said Wilf. Chip swung his arm back further. This time the ball fell in the gutter on the right. Thud. Next time, run up a bit faster, said Wilma. On his next turn, Chip tried hard to get it all correct. He tried so hard that he let the ball slip from his hand. Oh no. The ball shot down the line and at high speed, then crash. All 10 pins fell down. Did you see that? Said Chip. Fantastic, said Wilma, but you hit the pins in the lane next to ours. Sorry, said Chip to the man in the next lane. No problem, said the man, grinning. I have just won thanks to you.